We know what you're thinking. Silicon Valley is the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about technological innovation. But there's a new kid in town. DeepSeek represents a possible shift in where we can expect impressive steps in tech to come from. So is it worth the hype? The Chinese powerhouse quietly disrupting the entire software development landscape, DeepSeek is a family of specialized language models that can be applied in a myriad of different tasks. Whether you are a startup looking to build your first app or an enterprise needing a bulletproof system, this could be the breakthrough you have been waiting for. Let's get started. As previously mentioned, DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool, it's a response to the faults of other contemporaries. This results from three distinct building blocks: DeepSeek Coder, DeepSeek Math, and DeepSeek V2. Now, DeepSeek is able to handle complex calculations and logic, provide better code, and be an all-round better tool. Such an aggressive leap forward in the realm of AI begets the acknowledgement of industry leaders. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang lauded the R1 model as a gift to the world's AI industry, acknowledging its role in advancing global AI research. And so, we're presented with a set of important questions. For instance, how can DeepSeek models revolutionize your development workflow and give you a competitive edge? This is primarily achieved through DeepSeek's ability to provide faster first drafts of code, its capacity to edge case bugs at an appropriate time, and its pricing compared to its contemporaries. However, is DeepSeek just a better version of ChatGPT? Not exactly. While DeepSeek does function similarly to ChatGPT on the front end, this Gen AI model is built with different uses in mind and with its own incentives to set itself apart. That said, we can't move on without addressing the elephant in the room. The question of security, especially when it comes to sensitive information, is at top of everyone's list. Luckily, this was a consideration from the company when releasing this out into the public as an open-weight software aside from its commercial chatbot front end. As a result, DeepSeek offers offline functionality that allows users to keep all their prompts and code inside their own virtual private cloud, or VPC. What are the requirements to leverage DeepSeek? Interestingly, the hardware requirements for DeepSeek to properly run isn't much at all. A simple model that can perform basic chat interactions, provide simple code assistance, and deliver low-intensity reasoning would require around 12 gigabytes of VRAM, as could be found in graphics cards like the RTX 3060. On the complete other end of the spectrum, enterprises looking to develop robust applications and would like significantly faster processing speeds would require a multi-GPU configuration or something like the A100 from NVIDIA. Everything in between, such as extensive code assistance, enhanced reasoning, and code generation, requires GPUs with 12 to 24 gigabytes of VRAM. DeepSeek, specifically their R1 release, is upsetting the current AI market. According to Statista, the performance-to-cost ratio associated with DeepSeek compared to its competitors like Grok, Google's Gemini, and OpenAI's ChatGPT-o1 is better overall in the benchmarks conducted. This means that DeepSeek AI is more than another tech tool that can do the same thing as its contemporaries but slightly better. It's an aggressive response to the impressive leaps that have occurred in the last 2 years and 7 months. With features and offerings presented for commercial use within the range of a couple of cents, this is shaping up to transform the way people build, deploy, and maintain software. Companies looking to adopt DeepSeek are setting themselves up to deliver reliable solutions and solve business problems on a shorter timeline and with far more efficiency. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about other cutting-edge advancements? Check out the link below for more information, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in business technology solutions.